Ever wondered about the key to a fresh, natural makeup look? Well, your search ends here. Today we're about to reveal the secret to achieving that dewy, effortless glow in a few simple steps. Start with a clean canvas. Always remember, an impressive makeup look starts with a robust skincare routine. Cleanse your face with a gentle face wash, then pat dry. Follow this with a hydrating toner and a lightweight moisturizer. This prepares your skin, providing your makeup a smooth base to adhere to. Moving on to the foundation. For a natural look, choose a lightweight foundation or BB cream. The goal here is to balance your skin tone without concealing it. Apply a thin layer across your face, blending it in with a makeup sponge or your fingers. Keep in mind, less is more when it comes to a natural look. Next, we focus on the eyes. The secret to natural-looking eye makeup is simplicity. Use a neutral eyeshadow that complements your skin tone, sweep it across your eyelids, and blend it outwards. Follow this with a thin line of brown or black eyeliner along your lash line, and finish off with a coat of mascara to bring out your eyes. The fourth step is all about the cheeks. A dab of cream blush gives your face a healthy, youthful radiance. Apply a small amount on the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards your temples. This technique gives you a subtle flush that looks like you're glowing from within. And lastly, we can't forget the lips. A tinted lip balm or gloss adds a hint of color and keeps your lips moisturized all day long. Choose a shade that's close to your natural lip color for a truly fresh and natural look. And voila! In just 5 easy steps, you've mastered a fresh, natural makeup look. To summarize, first, prep your skin with a solid skincare routine. Second, apply a thin layer of lightweight foundation or BB cream. Third, keep your eye makeup minimalistic with neutral tones and a hint of eyeliner and mascara. Fourth, add a touch of cream blush to your cheeks. And finally, finish off with a tinted lip balm or gloss. Remember, the essence of a natural makeup look is to enhance your features, not hide them. So keep it light, keep it simple, and most importantly, enjoy the process. After all, makeup is a form of self-expression. So go ahead, express yourself, and let your natural beauty shine through.